To achieve beyond EnterClaims tutorial. In this tutorial we will discuss the different functionalities of EnterClaims. It includes creating account, setting up PIN, therapist information, therapist preference, important date, my cases, child details, therapy details, weekly calendar schedule, entering attendance, sign attendance, create bill, print bill, unsign attendance, alerts, and how to verify IEP. How to create account. To create account, go to www.enterclaims.com. Select Don't have a username and password. Fill the information needed and make sure to use your Achieve Beyond email account. If you already have EnterClaims account from other agency, make sure to create a new account for Achieve Beyond. Your username and password must be unique and it should be different from your existing account. After entering all information, click Create Account. A confirmation will be sent to the email address you provided. Go to your Achieve Beyond email and open the email from EnterClaims. Click on the first link given to activate account. It will direct you to activation screen. Once you activate your account, you will receive a message stating that you successfully activated your EnterClaims account. Setting up PIN. To set your PIN, go to Maintenance and select Set PIN. Enter your PIN number and click Create PIN. Make sure to remember your PIN at all time. You will use your PIN to sign your attendance. Please note that for this test account, a PIN is already created. Once you've created your PIN, a successful message will appear. Therapist information. To access therapist information, just click on the plus sign after My Information. It will expand and you can view your information. If there is any information that is incorrect or missing, please make sure not to edit the information in EnterClaims. Otherwise, please contact Provider Relation and let us change the information in the system to avoid discrepancies. Therapist preference. To access therapist preference, click Therapist, then select Preference. Therapist preference is a useful tool if you are using EnterClaims in public area. You can change your preference if you don't want information is visible in your screen. Calendar time is from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Timeout duration is 15 minutes, which means if you are idling for 15 minutes, the system automatically log you out from EnterClaims. Classroom time is irrelevant. Home screen should be monthly calendar attendance and time slot should be 15. We recommend all information in preference to be defaulted. Important date. Important date is information that is listed in your home screen. Important date will let you know about paperwork that is due or is overdue for your cases. This includes the description of the item due, target due date, child name and service type for that particular child. Information that will be visible in important dates is items that are overdue and items that will be due in 2 weeks from current date. My Cases. My Cases is located in your home screen. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see all the list of children with their enrollment. The default date filter is first day of the previous month, and last day of current month. You can access monthly calendar attendance in My Cases screen by click Attendance. If you see any information that should not be listed, please contact your department manager. Child details. How to access child details screen. You can go to Home, and under My Cases, click on the child name. Child details is where you can see the child information. You cannot edit any of the information. If you see incorrect or missing information on the child details screen, please contact your provider relation. You can also a list of services the child is receiving. To view services that is only assigned to you, check the box, Show only therapies assigned to me. All other information on this screen is still in development. Therapy detail. How to access therapy detail screen. You can go to Home. Under My Cases, click on the assignment information. It will direct you to Therapy Detail. Therapy Details screen is where you can see the child's enrollment's information that is assigned to you. You can also add or remove CPT code by clicking Add or Delete to remove. Disregard goals. This is irrelevant for Westchester providers. You can print a blank copy of parent signature logs, or what we called pre-seat log and pre-RS log. You can also view important date for this particular child's enrollment. When you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see the summary of attendance entered per month. It is color-coded. Green for regular, blue for makeup, and red for absence. Weekly calendar schedule. How to set up a weekly calendar schedule. Click Therapist, then select Weekly Calendar Schedule. Weekly calendar schedule is useful tool if you have a fixed schedule. This is optional. It will help you to be able to fulfill a date and time depending on the date range you set the schedule for. To add schedule, filter the date. Select the child. Select enrollment. Set the time depending on the mandate. Go to the calendar and select the time you want to add. An Edit attendance screen will appear. All you need to do is check the time if it's correct. And the from and to date depend how long you want to set the schedule for. Click Update. Then click Save to save all changes in the calendar. To remove the added schedule, simply check the schedule again or any other schedule that you added, and click Remove. And make sure to save the calendar once again. How to enter attendance. To enter attendance, just simply go home and then go to My Cases. Look for the child you want to add attendance. On the right side there is an attendance button. Click Attendance. You will be directed to a monthly calendar attendance. To add, check the box on selected date. Click Details. Add Edit. Attendance screen will appear. Add the time. Make sure to indicate AM and PM. Select type code. Then enter location. Makeup for is used when you enter makeup attendance. Check CPT. To add or edit CPT, just click the drop-down button. You can add or remove a CPT depending on your services. Enter your notes in the Notes section. Do not enter any information on assign goals, session progress, response and co-visiting therapist. These information are irrelevant to Westchester providers. Make sure that the Medicaid eligible is checked. There is also an option to add attendance too. This option is used if you are allowed to do makeup session after a regular session. After all information is entered, click Update and close. And make sure to click Save. You will notice that there are warnings that will show up. These warnings will help you identify if the note is missing any information or if you are not following your mandate. There are more warnings to make sure that the information you submitted to the agency is accurate. This will help the therapist to avoid on-hold attendances. You can bypass the warning by checking the box. Then select OK with warnings. But it is recommended to read the warning first before bypassing them. Once you click OK with warning, a saved successfully message will appear. Attendance. To sign attendance, all you have to do is click on Therapist and select Sign Attendance. You can filter by child last name, or by service from end to date. You can review your note before signing. If you are ready to sign the note, simply check the box before the child name. You can check the box one by one, or you can select multiple attendances. Once you are ready, you can click Sign Attendance. Another window will pop up. Make sure to check the information on Sign Attendance screen. If there is any incorrect information, email your provider relation. Enter your PIN. Select Sign Attendance, and a successful message will appear. Create bill. Create billing is a process to submit attendance that is signed to the agency. To access Create Bill, go to Billing, select Create Bill. In Create Bill screen you can filter it by service date from, and to. In Create Bill screen there is a child, name, therapy, month, number of sessions, program type, help. Attendance in Create Bill screen are combined by month and service type. If there is a question mark on the help column, which means that the note is missing information and you won't be able to submit it to the office. By clicking the question mark, it will pop up a screen with a detailed information why the note is highlighted in red. You need to unsign and correct that note in order to submit it to the office. When you're ready to create the bill, just simply check the box before child name. You can check one by one or multiple attendances. Then next step is check the box that says I certify that the above services were provided on the dates and times indicated in accordance with the student's IEP or IFSP, and also check the box that says I wish to allow the agency to edit my bill by sending back attendances to edit. Note that this is optional, but we recommend to check this box so that we can submit any session note that is missing information. You can also preview log notes. It's the actual session note. Preview bill the invoice. Then you can create bill to submit the office. There is one more confirmation and all you need to do is press OK. Print bill. Once the note is created and submitted to the agency, it will be moved to Print Bill. To access Print Bill, go to Billing. Then select Print Bill. Print Bill screen is where you access all the invoices that you created. You can filter from and to date. On Print Bill screen, all attendance are combined based on the created bill. Print Bill screen has bill number, service range, bill date, last printed. Allow edit if you forgot to check the second box when creating the bill. Delete button. Delete button is clickable if the agency did not import the create bill you submitted. By checking the box you also have the option to print bill. A summary of your bill. Print cover sheet. Print log reports. Clicking log reports will give you two options. To print log notes, the actual session note, or print parent's signature, what we called pre-seat form or pre-R.S form. When you print signature log in print bill, all information will be prefilled. Here is an example of prefilled signature log. Unsign attendance. To unsign attendance, all you have to do is click on Therapist and select Unsign Attendance. You can filter by child last name or by service from end to date. Check the box before the child name. You can check them one by one or you can select multiple attendances. Once you are ready, you can click Unsign Attendance. Another window will pop up. Enter your PIN. Select Unsign Attendance, and a successful message will appear. Alerts is a notification to let you know that you have attendance that is missing information. Alerts is on hold. Alert will show up in home screen. To check alert, just simply click on the message. It will direct you to Alert Details view. In this Alert Detail view you will see the reason why the attendance is submitted back to you. You can correct the attendance by going to the monthly calendar attendance. Once you corrected the attendance, you can sign the attendance again, and then create a bill. After you create the bill, you have to go back to that alert. Then click Mark Resolved. Once you marked Resolved, alert will be removed in your home screen. Clicking Alert Home will direct you to Alert Listing. You can filter by date or resolution status, if it is resolved or not. You can also filter by expired alerts. Alerts will be expired after 30 days from posted date. Or download IEP. To view or download IEP, you need to go to your home screen. Under your home screen, scroll down. You will see My Cases. Then select the assignment info for that particular kid. You will be directed to Therapy Details screen. Scroll down. You will see Child File Listing. Under Child File Listing, you will see your IEP. Select Download. You will have the option to view it on PDF. Open the PDF, read the IEP carefully. You have the option to save the file. Once you are done reading and you are ready to verify the IEP, go back to Therapy Detail. Scroll down, you will see a button for Verify IEP. Click Verify IEP. Another window will pop up that you confirm. Read and accept the IEP, then click OK. Once verified, it will change to IEP already verified. How to re-verify your IEP. To re-verify your IEP, log in EnterClaims. You will receive an alert in your home screen. Click on Alert Message and a detailed information of the child that needs to be re-verified will be listed. Just follow the same instruction on how to verify the IEP. Thank you. If you have any question, contact us at EnterClaims@achievebeyondusa.com. Or call us in our toll-free number 877-447-8200. We also have a resource page where you can access all detailed tutorials per topic. Just click IT FAQ on Web Services.